Hello, my name is Jessica Arelis Sigüenza, and today we are going to learn about the project 3 in this subject. To continue with this project, we have, as you can see, the lesson or the activity format, and we are start with the plan topic. The topic is days of the week and school object. The learner level is beginners. The class late for 50 minutes. And we're going to work with 50 students aged between 8 to 10 years old. The purpose is learning vocabulary and English. Objective. At the end of the class, students will be able to identify, correctly pronounce at least 10 school objects and use them in simple sentence. If, for example, I use pencil on Monday, and demonstrating their understanding of the both today's, the with and school related vocabulary. The content language functions expressing frequency or routine. For example, I use my notebook on Monday. Language structure, preposition of time. On Monday, I use my notebook. And the technique that I consider use in this activity is TPR because the students can use and learn with some two different ways. Uh, a procedure create create creative activity to motivate the students to learn about class topic. The teacher shows the students a PowerPoint presentation where the students will be able to see a calendar of the day of the week and object they use at school and incorporate physical actions to reinforce the vocabulary. So this way we are going to apply TPR. The next one is the teacher shows the students a backpack with real objects that students use on the days of the week at school, and then asks sentences after sentences using the name of the days of the week preposition and the time and materials. And the time is 50 minutes, and the materials we are going to use for this activity is images in PowerPoint and for a presentation, and the paper with real object that I prepared before this class. So, we are going to see we as you can see, we have the PowerPoint presentation, and this link you will be able to find this the whole presentation. And so this add I add two images so can see like how work this presentation. Uh, while I will develop this presentation, we I, I will use this word, this question to ask to students, um, and then answer me with some sentences. For example, first, to start the activity, we are to know about what are the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then that the students know about the days of the week, we're going to uh, pass to another step. And this will be our what. To start with the activity, I will ask to the students what are the objects that I use at school. And so this step, we are I will use this presentation. What date do you use? Do you use it? And the students um, formulate a sentence and use this with of the days of the week using a preposition of time and use uh, the word of any object. For example, what do you use it? And the students answer the questions. For example, I use my notebook on Monday. And next, we have the other. For example, this, what do you use it? I use the paint on Friday because maybe the students have art, the class of art in Friday. And we have an eraser, another object that you will see in that presentation that we use it for this activity. Uh, and then we are going to pass to the another part of the activity. This is that I mentioned before. The teachers show a student backpack with real life object because in TPR is so important that the physical actions uh, more for reinforce to the vocabulary because the students learn with associated some object or some act along to the activity. For example, we have to I add also the a simple picture with a backpack, scissor, pencil, and another thing like computer to the you to the students will use to the in the days of the week. And this a part of the activity. Uh, uh, the professor show to the students the real life object. For example, we have this pencil, and the students will say, "I use this pencil on Monday. I use this pencil on Saturday," for example, and also I use the computer on Sunday because maybe on Sunday they use the computer to do their homework. So, this is all for my presentation for Project 3. Um, I, I want to say thank you for your attention and have a great day.